back to my channel. Before we start this video properly, I'm going to tell you about one of my next YouTube videos. If you follow me on Snapchat, if you don't then you totally should, then you know that I bought a mannequin. Anyway, me and my sister were a bit dumb and we bought it at like the beginning of our shopping trip, meaning we had to carry it around to all the other stores we went to, which was tedious as fuck. But we put a bra on it and it gave me an amazing idea. I'm going to take the mannequin to places like malls, parks, etc. with my sister and my friend, and we are going to do random challenges with it. The best part, you get to choose the challenges! You can comment them down below or send me a snap or DM me on Instagram or even send me an email if that's what you want. All my usernames and stuff will be in the description box below. I'm doing it on the 26th of July, which happens to be my birthday, so... Then, without further ado, let's get started. I have decided to reinvent my channel. I realized that the stuff I do on my YouTube channel now isn't very appealing to everyone, so I hope that what I'm planning to do will get me a larger audience. I plan to do I plan to do 3 new types of videos, making 5 in total, for the people that can't do math. First, I'm gonna do comedy videos, so basically just goofy, funny videos, of which the pure aim is to make you laugh. The second thing is covers. I've decided to get my singing voice more out there in the hope that it might go viral and I'll get discovered like Alicia Cara or Shawn Mendes or something. Not wishing for too much. Actually, in my next video, or one of my next videos, I'm not 100% sure yet, I'm going to do a ukulele cover of one of my favorite songs of all time. So stay tuned to see that. I'm planning to do more vlogs. For some reason, I always like to see YouTubers and like what they're doing on their everyday life. So I decided to do vlogs like that too. Like for example, in August I'm going to Egypt and I might do a vlog of my whole trip. Fourth, I'm gonna keep doing DIYs because I just really like doing them, and I'm gonna keep filming them and posting them so you guys can do them as well. I'm actually busy with a new series of revamping old clothes, like jeans and sweaters. I just finished editing one, so after the song I might post it. And I'm gonna keep doing cooking videos for the same reason as the DIYs, because I just really like cooking and I like filming it and I like posting it. So yeah, I might show you how to make my infamous scones. I'm also planning to post more regularly, especially since it's the summer holiday, so I'll have more time to film and edit and stuff. So I hope to do at least 1 video a week. I can't guarantee it, there's a high chance that I'll get off that, but yeah, we'll see. If you like any of these types of videos or just generally curious of what I'm making of my channel, then subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a video. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, you can comment them down below or send me a message on Instagram or Snapchat or anything. Like I said, my usernames are in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, hope you keep watching my videos, and hope you like what I have planned in the future.